Shlok 30 of chapter 1. Keshav Gandivam Sranste Hastat. Oh, even the master of Param Brahma, the Gandiv bow is slipping away from hand. Chatvak ev paridahyate. And the skin is also burning from everywhere. Channa shaknomi cha avasthatum. And I am feeling weak to even stand. Me manah bhramtiv. My mind is spinning. Cha pashyami nimittani vipritani. And I am foreseeing an omen, or bad omen of adverse. Keshav Gandivam Sranste Hastat, Chatvak ev paridahyate. Channa shaknomi cha avasthatum, me mana bhramtiv cha, pashyami nimittani vipritani. Interpretation. O Trimurti Shiv Baba, even the master of Param Brahma, the Gandiv named flexible bow of bodily Purusharth is slipping away from my hand like intellect, with inconstant mind, and the skin is also burning from head to toe from everywhere, as if suddenly having fever, and I am so weak, that it is like I am feeling weak to even stand. My mind that has become uncertain, thinking what to do, is spinning, and there is such darkness of attachment towards the relatives, that I am foreseeing an omen, or bad omen of adverse consequences.